Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. Hello everyone, once again and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. So in this example, we are going to calculate a cantilever beam. So we have a UDL from point A to point B, which is 1 kilonewton per meter and the distance is 5 meter. And we have another UDL from point C to point D, which is 6 kilonewton per meter and the distance is 4 meter. And at point B we have a hinge and we have a 4 kilonewton as acting horizontally. So first step, you are going to calculate the summation of Fx. So HA minus 4, which is acting horizontally, is equal to 0. So the HA will be equal to 4 kilonewton. The second step, same thing, so summation of Fy, which is equal to 0. So we have Va plus Vd is equal to 1 times 5 and plus 6 times 4. So the Va plus Vd will be equal to 5 plus 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So the Va plus Vd will be equal to 29 kilonewton. The third step, we have to take a moment. So we are going to take a moment at point A. So summation of moment at point A, which is equal to 0. So we have Ma plus, we have 1 times the distance is 5 meter, times which is acting in the middle, so it's 2.5 plus 6 times 4 times 2 plus 5 is 7, and you have other force acting in the same direction? No, so which means it's equal to 4 times the distance is 2 meter plus Vd times the distance is, total distance is 9 meter. So Ma plus 1 times 5 times 2.5 is equal to 12.5 plus 6 times 4 times 7 is equal to 168 is equal to 8 plus 9 Vd. So the Ma plus 168 plus 12.5 is equal to 180.5 is equal to 9 Vd plus 8. So what we do now, we put unknown numbers on one side and the values on another side. So 9 Vd minus Ma, that will be equal to 180.5 minus 8. So 9 Vd minus Ma is equal to 180.5 minus 8, which is equal to 172.5 kilonewton. So now we have two unknown. We have Vd and Ma. So what we do now, so because you have a hinge at point B, so we have to take a cut at point B to find the Vd, and then once we find the Vd, then it's easy to find our M. So we have taken a cut from point B, so now we are going to find the value of Vd. So we take a summation of moment at point B, which is equal to 0. So we have a Vd times the distance is 4 plus 4, which will be acting at the same direction of Vd. 4 times the distance is 2 meter, which is equal to 6 times 4 times 2. So 4 VD plus 2 times 4 is 8 is equal to 6 times 4 times 2, which is equal to 48. So 4 VD will be equal to 48 minus 8 is 40. So both sides divide by 4. So our VD will be equal to 10 kilonewton. So we have find our value for VD. So we have found the value of VD, which is 10 kilonewton. So let me go back to our previous page. So the 9, instead of VD, put the value, so which is 10. We have found that already. Minus MA is equal to 172.5. So 90 minus MA is equal to 172.5. So our MA will be equal to so 172.5 minus 90 equal to minus 82.5 kilonewton meter. So that's our moment at point A. Thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. If you have any question regarding this example, please comment below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.